Why Max Prefab? Here for the long term, and what you see is what you get. Max Prefab has been a trusted partner of global 500 companies worldwide in the prefab building and modular container area since 2009. And we value all of our stakeholders, meeting your deadlines and deliver with high quality. Our focus on systems, people and technology means we are flexible enough to deliver work on tight schedules while still guaranteeing quality output. Our clients have a lot of repeat orders with us. High quality work output and committed to excellence. All of the prefab work we have done, big or small, is always completed to a quality that meets client expectations. Our commitment to our people ensures this quality every time. This commitment includes first-class professional development and training, quality systems, and pre-qualified contractors. Our core value is committed to excellence, and all of our people are very clear about our core value and living by it. We never cut corners in quality to gain projects and profits.